Hey everyone, welcome to the Collective Podcast, episode 1. I'm very excited to host this podcast. My name is Nicole Rivera, and I'm the Chief Community Officer at the Collective, as well as the Director of People and Culture at Jill's office and your fellow entrepreneur. I do own a house cleaning company here in Utah, and so I am in the trenches with you. And I wanted to introduce the whole Collective community and podcast as one. So every week, we're going to have amazing guests sharing their even more amazing stories of entrepreneurship and how they became so successful so that you can glean a lot of that information and take it back to your business and help it to grow. So whether you're in the power washing space, maybe it's landscape lighting, residential or commercial cleaning, this podcast is for you. So if you want to keep up to date with the Collective podcast and everything that we have going on, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. One amazing thing to know is that every year the Collective hosts an event called Wealthy Winter, and we gather experts all in the service industry to share all of their tips and as much knowledge as possible to help you thrive through those colder, slower months. So as a community member, you receive access to Wealthy Winter and all of the content from the previous years. So make sure to check that out as well. And on top of that, we're including a buyer's group with crazy discounts from all of our partners. So like I said, we're ramping up to build a community, and you can learn how you can join at collectivestrong.com. Visit the description for all of our links and resources. So if you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to our channel and to hit the bell for notifications.